Hello again, and welcome back. Thank you for opting in. We've put together this collection of informational videos to help you understand the benefits of our home delivery program for your pool chemicals. In the first video, we'll tell you about the safety benefits of letting us deliver your pool chemicals versus you transporting them yourself. In the second video, we'll summarize our products and services and tell you more about the people behind our company. The third video will help you understand the dangers of cloudy pool water. And the next 4 videos provide a step-by-step process of balancing your pool water from start to finish, including preparing your pool, determining your pool volume, testing your pool's chemistry, and balancing your pool water. The final video will cover ongoing pool care and maintenance. It won't take you long to absorb the information. You can go through it all at once in about 30 minutes, or take your time with it over the next couple of days. Feel free to share the information with anyone else who's involved in the care of your pool. If you still have questions, give us a call. We're looking forward to help you with a clearly better, faster, smarter, and safer way to enjoy a sparkling clean pool.